Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. I wanted to go ahead and get you caught up on what I've got going on here. I almost forgot to do my budget for the week. I'm trying to get in the habit of writing it out every week, and I almost skipped it. I don't want to, so let's go ahead and do a quick check-in. You know what? I do need to check my credit, and hopefully the next time we come together, I will have that information for you. All right, so we have our, our rent was paid this month, and our subscriptions as well as our memberships. You know what? Subscriptions I'm not certain of. I'll have to check on that. All right, so what have we done to take care of Silynthia? I have been walking. We've been getting a lot of snow, so not necessarily 3 times a week. I'm giving myself credit where credit is due. Let's see here. We have recorded 15 videos. I do try to bulk record, and then I also try to record ahead of time, especially because I do a lot of cash stuffing. I haven't worked an extra shift because that, in fact, would require me to be physically working. And at the time I'm filming this, I am not back to work yet, but I will be when you're seeing this. So there's that. Yes, I've been reading my Bible, and not consistently like I should be, but gonna work more on that. We did go on a family date. We went to see Sonic. Yay, so that's good. We've been having our weekly dance sessions, so yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's see. And memberships. Okay, let's see. All right, so here is our setup for today's budget. Let's go ahead. Let's write it out. So for this paycheck, we're taking $140 from PTO because I'm still using those funds until I physically go back to work. In the following week, I will get money. So utilities, $10. Internet, $20. Nothing to my phone bill. Insurance, $20. Subscriptions, $5. Memberships, $10. Giving us a total of $20, $40, $50, $65. All right. And this is would be the paycheck if I was at work for January 17th. So that's pretty important. I want to make sure I'm documenting that. Mommy getting $10, and gas getting its usual $20, household $10, pets $10, and I have an update. I did give my mom's dog to my little brother. At first he didn't want to take on the responsibility, but when I mentioned that she would be going to the Humane Society, a couple of my family members stepped it up into high gear, and they're coming together to make sure to take good care of her. So I'm still going to leave pets at $10 because that's originally what it was, but what I'll be able to do is get my kitty the food and litter and things like that like I normally would, the nicer, the more delicious cat food, and take just better care of him. So laundry is getting $5, and the total is, let's see, 10, 30, 40, 55. And so we have 140 for our income, minus 65 for our bills, minus 55 for our expenses, leaving us $20 to go into savings. So that made me feel better. Now we can move on and get back to moving forward with our video. For those of you who are new, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and there is a giveaway that is taking place, so you'll want to check out my previous video. to make sure you are entered into that giveaway. We are stuffing 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $140 today into my high priority. I actually decided recently that I would not be removing my rent money from my account. The rent money would just stay in there, and then once the end of the month comes, I will pull the cash to make my rent payment. I decided it might be best to not have my rent money in my home at this time. Let's get started. First up is utilities, which is getting $10, 5, and 10. And it's about that time to make a payment. So we have $20, $30, $35, $40, $45, $50 here. Alright, and then next up is my internet. And internet is getting $20, I believe. So now we have $20, $40, $60. And my phone bill is not getting anything today, but it does have $5, $10. I just need one more dollar in there and it's completely fully funded. Alright, insurance getting $20 today. And insurance now has $20, $40, $60. And subscriptions getting $5. And subscriptions has 5, 10, 15. Alright, and then next up is my memberships, which is getting $10, 5, and 10. And I'm hoping that this one is fully funded or pretty close. Let's see, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yes, actually this one is $46, so that's awesome. I will probably move that cash into another envelope. Yeah, so that's it for my bills. Let's move on to my expenses. Alright, so I believe Mommy is getting, do I have the change? Okay, let's just do this. Mommy's getting $10, 5 and 10. Gas getting $20. Household getting $10. And pets getting $10. And my kiddos, they are not getting anything today. But my laundry is getting $5 because I have a $5 bill and some quarters left from last time. So I figured $5 would be enough. So that leaves me $20 here. And I don't have change to do my knockout savings challenge. Let me grab some change from, let's see here. Let's see if we can get it from our sinking funds, I think. And let's see, okay, sorry about that. I think we're gonna go ahead and get going here. So my knockout savings challenge, I try to do at least once a week. It's only been once a week, but I try to do it at least once a week. So there may come a time if I'm able to stuff more money that I will. But let's see, I think I was on round 3. So I completed round 1, which saved me $12. Completed round 2, which saved me $11. And round 3 should save me $10. So let's see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So the way this works is you load up your envelopes for every, so each round you fill each envelope. Once you complete one round, you don't fill the next one. You don't fill that round anymore. You complete it. And let's grab a... Alright, so I grabbed my Sharpie so I can go ahead and complete round 3. So all I'm going to do is remove the money so I can count it up and make sure I have what I need for round 3. Alright, so round 3 now saved me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to go ahead and put this $10 into round 3, which is fantastic. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Round 3 is completed. So now I have to make a decision. Am I going to continue on? I think I will put at least something here. So we'll start round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we'll do $5. And then the next time we come back together, I will try to complete this round. But I wanted to stuff some of my other sinking funds, or some of my other savings challenges. Okay, so I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 remaining that I can stuff into here. Okay, let's grab a dice. Alright, I grabbed my dice, and what we'll do is roll the dice and see which savings challenge is going to get $1. Okay, I think that's the best way to... Okay. All of these savings challenges you will find in S&C Budget Creations down below, as well as the knockout. The inserts that you see in each of these, in this binder here, and as well as these envelopes that I have here for my A7, those are from Conversation. So I'll try to remember to link her as well, link her Etsy shop. But these in the savings challenge binder are from my shop. These are from my shop with Cassie J. So let's see here. 1, 1, 6, 4, 4, 6, 2, 2, throw the money around, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 5. Perfect. All right, I think all of them got a little something, and that makes me happy to see that happening here. All right, so first up is the Christmas Savings Challenge, and we're going to go ahead and add the $2 here that we got today. So in total we have $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. All right, then we're going to add $1, $2, $3 into our winter. It's a Melon and Winter Savings Challenge. 1, 2, 3. All right, now in total we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. Yay! Next up, we're adding $2 to our Coffee Micro Savings Challenge. And now we have $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15. got $2 going into my Aquarius Savings Challenge. 1 and 2. And Aquarius has $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19. Oh my goodness. All right, we got $1, $2, $3 going into our coffee savings challenge. I said 3, right? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Now in total we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And I have been on the lookout for my letter bucks because I do want to add more of those as well. So now we have $2 going into our S&C Budget Creations 26 Weeks Fairy Savings Challenge. This one, you can do so many different ways. I've said it before. That comes with inserts, envelopes, however you want to set it up. And what I've decided to do is just that, like for this savings challenge, for this cash stuffing, because there's only $2, I'm only going to mark off one number. But let's say it was, I rolled it twice and I got a 5 and a 6, then I would choose to mark off the weeks. Right, if I got a 3 and a 4, I would mark off, you know, the week that I'm on. So I just have it set up with the way that it works for me is every time I do a cash stuffing, I determine if I'm going to mark off, how many weeks I'm going to mark off. But since this is only $2, I'm just going to mark off one of my weeks. So I'm not following it according to a calendar or anything like that. I'm not following it according to in an amount. I'm basically using it as a roll and save, or flip a card and save. So $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 is what I have so far. So, and my goal is to leave this in here until all 26 octagons have been completed. That's my goal. All right, so that was fun. Gone ahead and stuffed our S&C Budget Creation Savings Challenges, as well as our Knockout, which is coming along very, very well. I was thinking this was going to take me a lot longer, given the circumstances. So hopefully it is completed much sooner. We'll see how this goes. And we've gone ahead and stuffed our high priority bills, as well as our weekly expenses. So we're all done here. I want to thank all of you so much for coming back again. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.